Okay, guys, today we're going to talk about how to get a free Gemini Pro 1.5 API key, and then you can use it for free until May 2nd. And you may be thinking, why do I want to get a Gemini key? I've heard some bad things about it. Well, the main reason is it's free until May 2nd. You can start using it to build some AI agents and some cool stuff, and then if you don't like it, you can just transfer it to a GPT-4 API key or GPT-5 or whatever when it comes out, and then you'll already have this set up, and you don't have to be ripping through all your money while you're testing stuff. So you don't really need that much to get it set up either. You can just go to ai.google.dev and you click Get API Key in your Google AI Studio. And then you just simply go over here on the left, you'll see Get API Key. You create a key. You're going to have to create a key. And you need an existing project, or you can create a new project and then you'll just generate the key. So here is a key, and we're going to delete that because I don't want you using the same key, but you get the idea. That's how simple it is to get the key. But you will need an active billing account in Google Apps Engine, and you don't have to have anything there. You just have to have your billing account. So if you don't have a Google Apps Engine, just go over there, Google it, the exact domain, and then get that. But either way, it will work for you. And then we're also going to show you how to use it for some cool stuff and build some agents using Google Colab. And you don't need to install a bunch of stuff. So you can play around with it for free in an easy way. We're going to give you all the code and show you how to do everything on the next video. So this is the first one just to test it out. And then the next part of this video, I'll show you how to use it quickly. And then in the following video, we'll get into the details a little bit more about the code. Okay, so now that we have your API key for Gemini, we went over to Google Colab and we were just going to put that key in to a script that I made, and then we're going to use AutoGen to use it to create a simple, anyway, anything you want to do with AutoGen to get the agents talking to each other and just see if they can do something, just to get a feel of what agents do. And I'll give you the script after, so don't worry about this. I'll just explain briefly what you're going to be doing. So just go to colab.research.google.com and you can log in with your Gmail account or whatever. And it's free to use, so don't worry about that. And I'm going to give you a link to my exact Colab for this project, so don't worry about that either. But basically, the first thing you're gonna do is do pip install, and then you're gonna do autogen Gemini script, and then you're gonna run that, and then after that, you're going to go over here and you're going to put in your Gemini API key. I'm not going to show you mine, but basically you just put it in there, save it, and then you click this blue toggle button for notebook access. And then afterwards, you can go down here. You're going to have a code that I'm going to give you. It'll access your Gemini API key, and then you can just write a simple message in here of what you want to do. In our case, we got it to make a simple WordPress plugin that allows a person to make multiple choice quizzes and embed it on a page or post. Now, this could be for anything. It doesn't have to have anything to do with coding or whatever. You can just put it to, write you a poem or do more text-based stuff, whatever you want. So the prompt is here. You will just click that play button to run it, and then you'll go down here, and then this will be the result. So here's, in my case, this is a bunch of code. All the agents are talking down to each other. Here's all the scripts, all the information. So the cool thing about this is you don't need to install a bunch of software on your computer, and you can just test how agents kind of work and do it for free at the moment. And then if you want to install some, more advanced scripts on your computer, or try different agent technologies on GitHub or wherever you find them, you can try them. but this will at least give you an idea of how you might want to use agents in the future. And you don't really need to know any coding because I'm going to give it to you and show you how to set it up. And you should go to aigrowthguys.com. And if for some reason you can't get this working, just send us an email and then we'll help you set everything up. And we're also going to be doing other posts about this. So just ask us a question and then we will send you a link of how to do it. And we might even make a video of what you guys want to do. So just let us know.